In this video, we'll be looking at section 2.4. Solving equations with the variable on each side. So our essential question will be, how do I solve an equation with a variable on each side? Well, our main goal to do this is to get all the variables to one side and all the constants to the other side. That's going to be our main goal. So say our example looks something like this. So our problem looks something like this. Well, our first step will be to simplify each side. And that usually includes distributing. We'll distribute and combine like terms. So here's our example that we're working with. 3 times x plus 2 equals 4x plus 7 minus 3. So we can distribute on this left-hand side. So 3x plus 6 equals, and then on this side I have some like terms I can combine. I can combine the 7 and the minus 3. So that would be 4x plus 4. So now I'm going to move all my variables to one side. So step 2. And we use addition or subtraction to do this. So we're going to move all the variables to one side using addition or subtraction to do this. So I'm just going to copy my problem again so we can see this step. So for me, what I end up usually trying to do is keeping x positive. So I can subtract 3x from both sides, or I can subtract 4x from both sides. But if my goal is to keep x positive, I'm going to subtract 3x, because then when I subtract 3x from my right-hand side, x will remain positive. So my x's cancel, and I can bring down my 6 equals, and then 4x minus 3x is going to be 1x plus 4. Step 3 is going to be move all the constants to one side. So I'm going to copy my problem again just so we can see this step clearly. 6 equals 1x plus 4. Now I want to move my constants to the other side. So let's change this wording. So move all the constants to the other side. Because our goal is to isolate the variable, so I'm just trying to solve this equation so I have x by itself. So I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. 6 minus 4 is 2, and that equals 1x. And then our last step is to solve for x. This one's already pretty much done. So now we just want to make sure x is all by itself, and we know that 1 times x is x. So I essentially get 2 equals x, and then that's my answer. So you might have to divide or multiply in this final step to get to your final answer. But that's how we're going to solve with variables on one side. We're just trying to move x's to one side of the equation. We'll move all our constants to the other, and then just go through our solving motions. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day.